And guys, for the chocopilo, I usually just put like 3 or 4. They have chocolate inside and I don't want it to be like too sweet. Yes, so guys, here I add some milk. I like the skimmed milk, which is like less fat than the normal milk. You can see here it's written skimmed. Yeah, I prefer the skimmed milk over like the normal milk. And I usually use cold milk for my cereal. I don't know about you guys. I also drop some grapes in there, like 2 or 3. Like that. Finish it up with a scoop of ice cream. Biscotti ice cream. Damn, it's vanilla strawberry. You guys, so I don't think this one is any better. Yeah, that's good enough. That right there. Yeah guys, so this is how I start off my day. So let's walk around. So this is the living room. I'm gonna get some plants here and there. You know, I wanna involve you guys because there might be someone out there who's good in interior designing and you can help me out. You know, your ideas are all valid. Just let me know what I should add over here in the comment section below and I'll consider it. A potted plant here, also one here, also an aquarium or something over there. Now this is one of my rooms, yeah? It's super messed up over here. It's gonna be my home office. Soon enough you guys will see that. I'll keep you guys posted. One thing I really love about this place is the granite tops. I like this color, you know? It's really beautiful. Oh, and guys, there's this place too, over here. As I told you guys, I'm gonna do like the pantry here. And I'm gonna have like a washing machine or something here because this is like the laundry area. I just recently got these curtains. You know, when I moved in here, the curtains I had in my previous house couldn't fit, man. This was like, the windows are super huge and like long, you know? So I got like this color. It's like gray, white, with a little touch of blue. So let me know like what you guys think about that. And what should I call this house, guys? You know, when I was in Kilifi, I used to call that the banking villa. Now I'm here. I don't know, should I call it Goshy's mansion? Should I call it the banking residence? Should I call it Goshy estate? What should I call it, man? What should I call it? Just let me know in the comment section below, because like I like naming my car. To my car is called W. So this house, Goshy's mansion. I don't know guys, just, you know, just having fun. So yeah, I was thinking of a name. Just let me know which name should I call this place. I think the banking residence sounds quite like it. So yeah, just let me know what you guys think. And I want to go for swimming because like I love swimming, guys. I love swimming. I'm actually thinking of putting a pool in my backyard. And I know that's gonna be epic. So I'll catch up with you guys later. I'll come back and then you guys will like give me more ideas. We brainstorm together, you know. We see like what we can do, because I was thinking of having an aquarium over here. I also saw the video of Bahati having the grand piano and I'm like, yeah, you know what? It's kind of lit. I was thinking of actually also getting the grand piano. I don't know, man. I'm just like thinking about stuff. So we have the space to do that. So just let me know what you guys think. Let's go for swimming. We'll be back and then we brainstorm some more. Let's do it. Let's go. So yeah guys, as you can see, it's super sunny today. So yeah, let's go for swimming and it's gonna be epic. Yes sir. Then I'm gonna come back. Yeah, but it's a really bright day. Let me just open the sunroof. Let me open it inside like that. Yes sir. Yeah, that's amazing. You know, it's super sunny. So yeah, let's go for swimming. Let's go, and it's gonna be epic. Then we come back, we brainstorm. I know you guys are gonna help me furnish the house with some dope ideas. I told you guys about the grand piano. I think that's dope. That's nice. Yeah, we'll come back and brainstorm all that. Right now, let's go. So I love coming to swim here, kind of low key. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. So yeah, just gonna swim for a bit, have like a beer or something, then we go back to the crib. So yeah, man, let's get into it. Let's go. Woo. Even if it's like hot, damn, the weather is so damn cool. You know what I mean? It's so cool. So guys, for lunch I got this pork chops and the fries. Yes, sir. Back to the house and back to like what we were talking about earlier. I want like this place to be like a zen garden, a zen area, you know? Just make it like super green, maybe have some flowers here and there. Just make it like a zen place. Maybe let's say the barbecue stuff, I'll have it in the backyard. I was thinking that it will be better off there than here. Yeah, I just wanna like water this place and make it super green. Yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comment section. And also the other rooms, let me know what ideas do you think I should do. Do you think I should have a gym, a theater, a movie theater? Just let me know, man. Let me know a game room. Let me know in the comment section. That's it today. I'm gonna catch up with you guys next time. I show you the upgrades I've done here and there, and I'm also looking forward to your comments. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at Goshy. And yeah, guys, it's been an epic vlog. Till the next one, peace.